Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, write the entity declaration that describes 4 inputs A, B, C, D and 2 outputs X and Y. Now let's see how to do that. Entity declaration. So first we are going to say entity, and you can name anything you want. I'm going to say entity name. Entity name is port ABCD. ABCD are the input. ABCD in std underscore logic, and then x y x comma y out std underscore logic, and end entity name, end entity name, and that's it. This is the entity declaration, and I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to learn VHDL programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.